the lot. Told him 12 SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. So, got the cash out. Told them wipe but no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Try to give me 5 mile water. I lay down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a that looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my whips is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the city. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Told him 12 SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. So, got the cash out. Told them wipe but no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I've been moving them out. And steal it with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. Took her to the forest. Don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I never wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. No hands with it. I just made the rolling plane like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Crisco, cause I pop my got it out the mud. There's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, out the coupe at the lot. Told him 12 SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. So, got the cash out. Told them wipe but no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where
Happy birthday, Jordan. You're turning 8 this year. My halftime flight. I can't believe mommy's baby is getting out of the way. I want you to know that you mean the world to me and you're the best little guy ever. I just can't wait to see what life has to show me from your little heart. You're so sweet and I wish you the very best. Mwah. Mommy love you.
Hey brother, it's your big sister and I just want to tell you happy 8th birthday. I love you to the moon and back. Mwah.
Hey little brother, it's your 8th birthday. I'm so excited. And I just wanted to tell you that you're the greatest little brother that a big brother can ask for. I hope you have a nice 8th birthday.
Happy birthday, Jordan. I hope you have a good time for your birthday. You're a big boy now. It's your grandmama speaking.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Greta love you. Happy birthday. Have fun. Wish I was there. Me too, though. For real.
Hello, Jordan. This is your favorite cousin, Macy. I'm sending you this video to wish you a happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't make it, but I'll see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jordan. I miss you. I love you.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.